NHRA Track Walk. It's the only way to start your Sunday. A chance to get down and feel what the starting line of the racetrack is like with your family and your friends. It's also the place as we get closer to the 50th running of the Gator Nationals, where all the legends will be there. That this week's Land of 10,000 Lakes legend is standing by with Brian Lohnes.
So as we continue the 2018 NHRA Legends Tour here in Brainerd, Minnesota, we are joined by Tom Hoover, a man who is a native Minnesotan and a guy who ran a series of funny cars and dragsters throughout his career with his family. Tom, talk about what it's like to be back here at this great racetrack.
It is a great racetrack, and it's a pleasure to be here and seeing all the fans that support this sport right now and where it's grown today. And I retired in 2000, but boy, the years gone by already, you know what I mean? But we still watch it on TV, and I go 3 or 4 nationals a year. One of my favorites is Indy, and this one, of course, and we go to Gainesville every year. So it's just a great deal to see where it's grown right now.